golly gee, Hot Rod, I am so bored.
Well, dude, I'd put something on if Tiger Track didn't ban me from the computer. Last time I let you on it, you played that stupid bird game and then flung Wheelie into a building.
Good luck.
Yeah. Listen, I was put in charge, and I say we wait until one of our superiors gets back before we turn on Teletran. The record don't just raid around, they spring into action. Why don't we go outside? Right. We have a doorbell? Oh, Mirage, you're back. Hey, dude, can I put some funny videos on Teletran? What did I miss while I was out? Anything happened during my little Energon hunt? The commander stepped out to stop a Decepticon mining operation. Springer returned last night with Blue Streak. And you already know Team Trax has not been cleared for any missions following that whole escape fiasco. So, most of our strongest warriors are out, correct? Okay.